This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As many as 25 health workers, including 3 doctors of the Itanagar-based R.K. Mission Hospital, have tested positive for COVID-19, following which the hospital authorities have decided to shut down the premier healthcare institution for a week. The hospital, including OPD and other indoor services of the hospital, will remain closed till the 20th of this month for sanitization and COVID-19 screening of health staff for contact tracing, RKMH Secretary Swami Vishweshwananda said. The secretary said that on Friday, a female sanitary assistant of the hospital who contracted the virus while on duty died of COVID-19 infection. She is the first health worker who laid down her life fighting the disease while on duty. All the hospital staff will be tested and their relatives have been requested to get tested too. Amid a shortage of health facilities for treating novel coronavirus patients in Mizoram, 2 local churches in the Christian majority state have offered their halls to the state government to be used as COVID-19 care centers. Ruling Mizo National Front legislator and State Health and Family Welfare Board Vice Chairman Dr. Z.R. Thiamsanga said 2 Presbyterian churches in Aizawl and Electric Veng branch of the Young Mizo Association have extended their help to the state government. The church leaders, community leaders and the people are open-hearted. They set a good example by helping the government, he said. Thiamsanga, who is also the chairman of the medical operational team on COVID-19, said that he inspected the halls along with other officials on Sunday. At least 14 COVID-19 patients are currently undergoing treatment at Venghunai Church Hall, he said. Tripura yesterday reported a record single-day spike of 12 COVID-19 fatalities, which raised the death toll to 194. While 629 fresh cases pushed the tally in the state to 18,932. West Tripura district, of which Agartala is a part, has accounted for 107 of the 194 COVID-19 deaths. Tripura at present has 7,584 active coronavirus cases, while 11,132 people have recovered from the disease. 22 patients have migrated to other states. As many as 3,27,846 samples have been tested for COVID-19 in Tripura so far. Detection of 19 fresh cases of COVID-19 has increased Nagaland's COVID-19 positive tally to 5,083. According to Health and Family Welfare Department, 16 people were detected from Dimapur, 2 in Mokokchung and 1 in Kohima. The cases were segregated among 9 armed forces and 5 each from returnees and traced contacts. Meanwhile, 61 patients also recovered from the virus, taking the number of recovered persons to 3,883. At present, there are 1,172 active cases. So far, out of 10 registered deaths in the state, 8 persons have succumbed to the infection and 2 were not COVID-related deaths, while 18 migrated to other states. At least 30 staff of the Raj Bhavan in Shillong have tested positive for COVID-19. Governor Satyapal Malik and his ADC have tested negative for COVID-19, a senior Raj Bhavan official said. At least 30 staff members have tested positive for coronavirus at the Raj Bhavan since Friday, and more tests will be conducted today. He said the governor has gone into self-isolation at the Raj Bhavan itself, although he has tested negative for COVID-19, and entry into the Raj Bhavan has been barred until further orders. His personal staff and one of the ADCs to the governor have also tested negative, and more tests are awaited. Meghalaya Power Minister James K. Sangma, whose pilot car met with an accident at Nagaland in Assam on his return journey from Imphal, arrived in Shillong yesterday. Sangma, who tested positive for COVID-19 during the rapid antigen test at the Bir Tikendrajit International Airport in Imphal, is now under home quarantine. After his arrival in Shillong, swab samples for the RT-PCR test have been collected from the minister. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek, who confirmed the arrival of Minister, said that James K. Sangma is now under home quarantine. The Director of Health Services, MI, Dr. Amanwar, said samples have been collected from the Minister for the RT-PCR test. As per protocol, he will have to complete the 10 days quarantine either at home or at the Corona Care Centre. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.